Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here and
Nick Birch.
And we are so happy to have that time of year again when we get to give you guys such great sales and savings and all kinds of good stuff on our website. And so tomorrow, Cyber Monday, we've got some really big sales coming up. What do we got?
That could actually be today, depending on when you're watching this video.
Oh, actually, that's right.
It's
depending
cyber,
on where you are in the world.
It's Cyber Weekend, so
right.
you know we started on Black Friday. So right now, everything on the website is on sale at creatureartteacher.com. We've got everything is 40% off or more. So we've got 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, all the way up to 80% off some of our classes, like our character design course, 80% off.
How to paint light. We've got courses from some of our guests, from Lyndon Ruddy with story. We got
Chuck Williams story courses is 75% off, I believe, which is a great class. And we've got 3 new courses up for pre-order right now that come out very soon. We've got Making Monsters from Tony Cipriano, which comes out this upcoming week.
We got production design and visual development from Armand Serrano that's coming up as well. And then
drawing with life, energy, and story from David Coleman, which is a great course that's coming out later in the month. So, but you can pre-order all of those for 50% off right now. And of course, we still have the best deal in art education. Our annual membership is 30% off this weekend. That gets you everything on the website, plus everything we release over the next year for one low price. So go check it out. Go to creatureartteacher.com, and we've got over 450 hours of courses now.
It's a lot.
Yeah,
it's a lot.
Animation, Photoshop, Procreate, it's all on there. Check it out.
Yeah, so, you know, our whole mission from the beginning of creating Creature Art Teacher was to make art education affordable no matter where you are in the world. And we're taking that and we're actually making it way more affordable for this weekend. So really take advantage of it, get out there, get some courses, learn some art, and put some beauty back into the world. And we'll talk to you next time.
Bye.